Hello. U.S. stock index futures fell today as investor sentiment remained low due to the hawkish outlook of Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell in his two-day congressional testimony. His comment that the Fed will proceed with caution led the S&P 500 and Nasdaq to pull some gains in the previous session, but the indices remained on course for a weekly decline. Crude prices weakened today after the aggressive stance taken by a number of central banks this week raised fears that economic activity will suffer. Providing some support was the news that U.S. crude inventory shrank far more than expected in the week to June 16th, dropping 3.8 million barrels according to data released yesterday from the Energy Information Administration. 3M shares rose in pre-market today following the company's announcement that it had reached a settlement with a host of U.S. public water systems to resolve water pollution claims tied to forever chemicals, named so due to its persistence to remain in the human body and the environment. Under the terms of the agreement, 3M has agreed to contribute up to a present value of $10.3 billion over 13 years. GSK reported yesterday that they had reached a confidential deal with a California resident who claimed that he developed bladder cancer from taking their heartburn drug Zantac. The settlement prevents the case from going to trial next month, which reflects the British pharmaceutical company's desire to avoid distraction related to protracted litigation. GSK did not admit any liability and said it would vigorously defend itself against any other Zantac cases. As Phillip Capital Team, we wish you a happy weekend.